Shooting great marketing videos on Instagram. Shooting great marketing videos on Instagram is a challenge, mostly because Instagram's video recording and editing capabilities are pretty limited. Because once you record a video on Instagram, there's not much it can do on the platform to edit it into a top-notch marketing video. In any case, there is a series of tricks that you can apply on your Instagram videos to make them into engaging, entertaining short-form videos that you can later edit with the use of third-party apps. Transitions. One of the most useful techniques to tell a brief story on video is to use transitions in between takes. Surprisingly, this can be achieved with the Instagram built-in recording feature. Simply start recording by taping and holding the record button and film until you want that take to end. Then move to the next take and repeat those steps. These simple steps are to be followed until you have your video put together. As you can see, this is the result of a video composed of transitions, and it can be set up by recording each scene separately. Stop motion. Stop motion is a video technique that can easily be recreated using Instagram and will only require you to record a tiny fraction of a second of video. Then move the people, objects, and the scene that you're recording to a different position. Record it, stop, repeat, record another one, and so on. Pretty much like you would record a transition, but at a slower pace. Check how we record one shot, then another one, then another, and so on until it is all recorded. An amusing shot-by-shot video can be easily used for engaging people because it can be funny. Time-lapse and hyperlapse. Time-lapse videos are those videos that show a long, single scene shortened by speeding up the video. This is an example of a time-lapse video. Then we have hyperlapse videos, which are faster than time-lapses and can cover much more information. You cannot create hyperlapses or time-lapses within Instagram itself, but you can download and install the time-lapse camera video recording app. After editing your video using this tool, you can upload it to Instagram and access it through your gallery. Tips for using your mobile device as a portable video recording studio. There are some instruments that you can use to make your tablet or smartphone a proper mobile video recording studio. For improving the sound recorded through your device's mic, you need to buy a calibrated recorder for tablets and smartphones. To properly handle your device while recording, you'll need a tripod with hand stabilizer. These techniques, when applied the right way, can transform your mobile device into one of the most powerful marketing tools available on a friendly budget.